How do I bridge to Fantom Sonic and get the gas? I have no gas. What do I do? Ray. Alright. So we will be demonstrated how to bridge to Sonic and get gas. Let's go. So now I have our practice wallet over here. Wrong one. This one. All right. So we're going to go to, there's two ways to bridge to Sonic, my bad. But the preferred way, first of all, it's as easy as oh, shout out to Bad Bunny, by the way. All right. So this is the Swap X UI. We're going to review everything in a little while. Let me refresh. But what you want to do, you want to go to the bridge tab here on the top. If you can't see it on the screen, I'm going to tell you the website. The website is app.rhino.fi, right? App.rhino.fi. And this is the interface for it, right? So this is such a cool bridge service. And then when you're here, of course, you click your Rabby wallet or the your preferred wallet that you have. And then, yes, this process is part of it, okay? Authenticate your wallet. There's going to be a message here. You're going to sign it. And then you're going to enable L2 access. You're going to accept it. All right? So now I have funds on base chain, I believe. Speaking of base chain, right? We have funds on base chain that we want to get to Sonic to use, right? But we don't have any gas. Oh, snap. On the bottom, it says get S on Sonic for transactions. Get S on Sonic for transactions. You can also send to other addresses. If you have other wallets, you can split it up. You could do your thing. So I'm going to put like $3. Oh, Ray, how much is gas on Sonic? It's fractions of a cent. So, but I'm going to just put $3. And I'm going to send, what am I going to send? 0.1. We're going to send 0.1 to Sonic right now. And remember, utilizing this bridge, this is a partner of SwapX. This is already qualifying you for airdrops, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? That's all we doing is getting money out here, son. So that's what we doing. All right. So we're going to bridge. We're going to switch network. Look how amazing this bridge is. So we're going from base all the way to Sonic right now. So we're going to approve all these transactions. So this is going to be loading up. And then the bridge has been initiated. And in 56 seconds, it'll go through. So as we're waiting for this, if you're on ETH, there's another alternative to bridge. And you can use the Sonic Gateway directly. Okay. So gateway.soniclabs.com. And this is the official Sonic Gateway bridge. So if you're on ETH specifically, you can bridge in USDC to Sonic. And you can bridge in these other tokens, right? However, I'm not sure if they send you with with gas, right? I'm not sure about that. But you should use Rhino.fi to get your gas. So in a few minutes, this is going to go through. Now, keep in mind, when you bridge this way, it's going to take you maybe 10 to 20 minutes. But with the high-speed bridge of Rhino.fi, in a matter of seconds, we are now officially bridged over to Sonic, baby. Know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about, boy. What they sent me S. They didn't send me ETH. Or I had ETH over here, or am I bugging? I don't know. Maybe they sent me some extra bread. It looked like they sent me some extra money. Or maybe I had Sonic already. I don't know. All right, cool. So now we bridged over. We got our ETH over. The bridge, simple as that. 2 bridge solutions I gave you and the solution to get gas.